Imagine a data tool that builds its own pipelines while you sleep. Sounds great, right? But is Matillion One actually the future of data engineering? Or just another overhyped AI wrapper? Let's find out by looking exclusively at what their official website offers. Matillion One introduces Maya, an agentic data engineer designed to automate the heavy lifting of building, managing, and orchestrating pipelines, available for a free trial on a fair use basis within the Data Productivity Cloud. The platform itself is presented as a comprehensive ecosystem. To support users, they provide a full documentation library, a support knowledge base for troubleshooting, and a community forum for peer-to-peer help. For those looking to skill up, Matillion Academy offers training courses and certifications. They also offer professional services to speed up onboarding, and notably, they have a public product roadmap where users can view upcoming features and submit their own requests. Weighing the pros and cons, the biggest positive is the integration of an AI agent, Maya, with a clear support structure and transparency via the roadmap. It shows a company investing in both innovation and customer success. On the negative side, the fact that professional services and extensive training are so prominently featured suggests that the platform is not intuitive for a non-specialist. The fair use limitation on the Maya trial is also a significant drawback for anyone wanting to test its capabilities at scale. So here's the bottom line. Matillion One is a serious cloud-native platform built for teams that are ready to commit to a robust data infrastructure. It's not a lightweight tool you can pick up in an afternoon. Your best move is to start with the Maya free trial, spend time in the community forums to see what real users are struggling with, and check the roadmap to ensure the features you need are either already there or coming soon. Matillion structures its plans into 3 tiers. The Developer Edition is designed for individual use, offering one developer user, unlimited projects, over 250 pre-built connectors, a low-code canvas with SQL and Python support, and a built-in Git repository operating on a pay-as-you-go model. The Team Edition includes everything in Developer but expands to 5 developer users, adds an audit trail with documentation, standard customer support, and a service-level agreement, requiring you to talk to sales for pricing. Scale Edition builds on Team with advanced security, including custom SSO, hybrid cloud deployment, data lineage tracking, streaming change data capture, extended log retention over 180 days, bring your own Git integration, and optional premium support, also available only through a contract with the sales team.